In this video, we will learn how to use the if function to check specific values in Google Sheet. In our dataset, we will check if the color in column E is red and show the result in the status column. Click on the first cell in the status column and type the formula is equal to if. Select the cell is equal to press enter and drag the formula down. Apply it to the entire column. Now the status column will be display true if color is red and otherwise false. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.